In this video, I will show you how much Rebuild Rescue makes money on YouTube 2024. Let's get started. He created his channel since July 22, 2016. He has 703,000 subscribers. Until now. Total uploaded 158 videos. And now let's go over Rebuild Rescue channel analytics. This is statistics views for Rebuild Rescue channel. Daily views. 46,492 views. Weekly views. 325,400 views. Monthly views. 1,394,000 views. Total views. 71,535,000 views. Next videos performance on Rebuild Rescue channel. This is the lastest videos for Rebuild Rescue channel. This video has gotten 167,000 views. And 153,000 views. The estimated income Rebuild Rescue with the lastest videos. $668. And $612 since published on YouTube. And this is the most popular video for Rebuild Rescue channel. This video has gotten 10 million views since published on YouTube. The estimated income Rebuild Rescue with the most popular video. $40,000 since published on YouTube. Now, how much Rebuild Rescue makes money on YouTube 2024? And this is the estimated income for Rebuild Rescue channel. Estimated monthly earnings. $5,600. Estimated yearly earnings. $66,900. And the last, the estimated all-time revenue Rebuild Rescue channel. $286,140.